Hello friends, uh, welcome to my channel. Now I just want to highlight you that last video which was posted few weeks back, we learned about the support and resistance in the various chart patterns based on the price action. Today we are going to learn about the trend line, how to identify the trend line and how to check the trend line breakout of any stock. Now, just a sake of repetition of what I teach last time about the support. Firstly, support is not a single point, it is a zone or single line. It is a zone. So as you can see in this Adani Port stock, this is a support. Again, if I mark it correctly here, this has become a good base. So these are all support lines. Okay, so if we go on a little higher time frame and we will just check. Now I will start with how to do the trend line marking. So you can do on 15-minute time frame, you can do it on 5-minute time frame. So when you mark a trend line, you have to mark touching at least 2 to 3 points. So if I mark it here, this was the trend line. Okay, so now as you can see, stock took a resistance here. This is basically the upper trend line. It tried somewhat here also, but could not go up. One more try here, somewhat here also, two tries here, and finally after 4 to 5 tries the stock give a good breakout. So this is the upper trend line, and as you can see how the stock has given a breakout and it has given a massive rally after giving a breakout from this level. So again remember, if you are marking a trend line should touch all the wicks of the candles. Either it should touch all the wicks or it should touch all the bodies. It cannot be few candles it is touching the wick and few candles it is touching the body. Otherwise the trend line will not work properly. So now you can see in a let's see one more stock, Reliance. So what Reliance did, now I will mark it here. This you can say something like this. So this was a lower trend line and stock, after attempting 1, 2, 3 and 4, just remember this, when stock tried fourth time I'll just if you can see this, I'll just delete this now. After touching, after breaking from below, the stock tried to go up and touch the trend line but could not do the candle close, but it suddenly fell after that on the very next candle. So basically it broke down, went for a confirmation, took a support or resistance here, and again fell. As you can see, it was a good amount of fall. So this is again a lower trend line breakdown. Let's find out. I have not pre-marked this, I am just finding out randomly. Sorry. Now see here what had happened. So Bharti Airtel was trying here somewhere on a downtrend line, couple of attempts here, again attempts here, again crossed but could not sustain above this trend line, one more touch, and finally it gave breakout. So, and after this breakout there was a massive rally, as you can as you can see, the stock price constantly moved up to this level. So trendline breakouts are very massive based on the timeline you are seeing it. So if you have a timeline, say hourly time frame or maybe daily time frame, then breakouts will be larger, but it will be longer also. Now let's find something in HCL Tech is heavily marked. Let's go to, now see this, I had already marked Bajaj Finance. This is the very long time frame trend line I have already marked as my own research. So as you can see, there are a couple of attempts here. Stock came again, touched the trend line. Here it gave breakout, again retested confirmation, but survived above the trend line. So this is a long-term trend line of Bajaj Finance. Again, let's see. See, trend line should not be too much vertical like this. It should be at least 45-degree and above. Okay. Again, for a upward also, it should be a little below the 45-degree. It cannot be like the standing one. Otherwise, it will not get validated. So while marking the trend line, always remember this point. See, few attempts here and then breakout. So you can find this kind of trend lines in various stocks. Mostly all stocks follow the trend line, and they give a breakout as per the timeline. So in hourly chart, if they give breakout, the breakout is somewhat you can say weekly or 2 weekly. If it is a 15-minute time frame, so breakout once it happens will give you the target of maybe within a week, 2-3 days. So it is 5 minutes, then same day you can get the uh, targets. Now there is no definite target rule for the trend line. For example, if I may say, you can say this, if I mark one trend line, this kind of trend line here. So now see this. This is almost 6 months duration, maybe more than that. So once the breakout from this level, if I mark this level, okay, so there is no definite rule that after 6 months the breakout has happened, so it will be 20%, 30%. There is no set rule, but you have to trade the breakout. How do you trade the breakout? I'll just tell. So let's take this example. This is hourly time frame of Tata Motors. So if the breakout has been given here, so what you can do, you can, after the breakout, you can wait for the confirmation to touch it, but in this case it has not touched back. So in the previous swing low, so if you can see, the date has changed from 11th. So if the 11th day low, you can put as a stop loss, and you can take your trade somewhere. If this green candle has gone up, that means it will now not again retest it. So somewhere in this range, so the breakout was 204, so about 210 you can place your trade with stop loss of 200. And since the breakout has happened in 6 months, so it may sustain, and you expect around 240, 250, 260, 270 targets for this trade. This is how you trade the breakout from the trend line. So if you are a long-term investor and want to get higher returns, so look forward in hourly or daily or weekly time frame. If you want to trade on a short duration time frame, weekly or 2 weekly or maybe month, uh, maybe 2 month, then you can go for 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes time frame to trade in a within a month or so. So that's it from my side on a trend line breakout. Uh, Next we will cover the channel breakout in the next video. Thank you very much.